Selling your home isn't just about putting a sign on the front lawn. You need to consider what buyers are looking for in their next home. Your RE/MAX agent will help you determine who your target buyers are and will help you prepare your property for them. Discuss these simple questions with your RE/MAX agent. Who is moving in and out of your neighborhood? What is the main attraction of your neighborhood? Are there any schools or parks nearby? What about convenient shopping areas? How close are you to a main highway or city transit for commuters? What size is your home and what is your list price? How does your home compare to similar ones that are currently on the market or have recently sold? Once you've determined the answers to these questions, you'll have a better idea of who your target buyer is and how to appeal to them. If you are listing a new home, focus on the following selling features: ample storage space, larger closets, energy efficiency, newer construction, which means less maintenance, newer school district, open floor plan, any upgrades like hardwood floors, granite countertops, or upgraded fixtures. When it comes to selling an older home, you need to focus on showing off features like these: a well-established location, great architectural details and character, mature trees and large lot sizes, any upgrades like newer kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, windows, roof, or furnace. Features that are uncommon in new home construction. If you own a condo, buyers will be looking for the following: low maintenance and monthly fees or good value for fees, proximity to transit, proximity to amenities like restaurants, gyms, workplaces, and nightlife, updated decor, building security and concierge services, unit features and location advantages. Regardless of the type of home you're selling, you only have one chance to make a great first impression to your potential buyers, so don't miss the opportunity to sell your home quickly and for top dollar. To find out more about how fit to sell your property is, find a RE/MAX agent at remax.com.
Hello and thank you for watching my videos. If you want to know what's coming up next, just subscribe to my channel and you would receive the next video that is coming up. If you want to see more of the videos that are already made, just click on the next video. All the best.